see it, kick it. 1, 2, 3. No insight, no plan that can succeed against the Lord. I know what I have to do on this planet Earth, so me not Babylon Lord. Let me pray for my people who know not love, because I have to keep my conscience clear. Their integrity is clean, so they need to straight up. Never worship the clothes that you wear. So we embrace that love in now. And never you go straight. Teach to me, them a preach peace. At the same time I try to preach and people them I think we never see. But no disrespect is a man. When them in a society, show them the real African thing. For as the motherland is falling, Babylon shall be falling. And you know me have to end my king. So we embrace just loving. So we embrace. Let it shine out of your soul, just like